Afternoon, guys. Weather has improved, thankfully. Was forecasted for lots of rain for today, but as you can see there, you can see a little bit of clear skies already through those clouds. But hey, it's dry, it's not raining. It is quite cold, still 14 degrees. Oh, let's walk past here, quite busy with cars and everything on the road. But yeah, 14 degrees, and I believe we can even see some sun while I'm walking on the beach. It is quite windy, as we can see in the distance, those palm trees. And the wind, yeah, you can see already over here, the ocean has extended a little bit down there. Thankfully no one is at the beach today with this wind, but wow, all the way up until here. Positive thing is about this, we do have the sun back over there. That makes up for a lot, even if it is quite windy. Let's have a walk down the promenade. And even while it is just 14 degrees, it does feel quite warm. Even too warm for to wear a jacket almost. By the way, guys, don't forget, please do hit that like. It really does help my videos, promoting them a little bit more. And definitely do subscribe. Only 100 to go till 10,000. Got the Copacabana bar. You could sit lovely out here, out of the wind, in the sun. Grab a drink or a snack maybe. But I think more people are over there backwards towards Tiki Beach, Cayman. Those are the more popular bars in winter. In case you're wondering, yes, there is a lifeguard today. Got the yellow flag that we've got up there. And the lifeguard is all the way back there towards the end of the Levante Beach. Well, it probably isn't necessary because I don't think anyone is that crazy to go into the water today. Even over here. Quite some water coming this way. The wind is picking up again. Oh wow. Weekend is over, so work continues again on a light project on the beach. No one is spending some time at the pool over there, but there are some people on the balconies enjoying the sun. take a rise up here towards the Mediterranean and then check out if that area is less windy, hopefully. Really quiet when everything is closed. Got the beer house, nice terrace in the sun today, and out of the wind as well.
Quiero que os voy a enseñar esta tarde hagamos el bollo y mañana.
While one side looks very nice, like a perfect day with at least a lot of sun and even pleasant temperatures. On the other side you still have a dark cloud hanging above Benidorm. No work going on over here today. The old gold dollar. Over at Don Pancho they must be also doing some little renovation work. Major renovation going on over there at the brunch box inside. And they'll be open again the 9th of March. And then we're back at our starting point over here at Levante Beach with some heavy waves in the distance. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more, then make sure to hit that like and do subscribe. And as well, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, yeah? Links are down in the description.